Okay, there's exposed. That's the hot water coming from inside the house. Okay. Another issue I found is it has another break. There's two breaks. There's a break right here, and there's a break further up there. The further up is the one that I exposed in the deck. That's one break right there, and that's where I'm gonna convert it from right there all the way this way, right here. And then I do have a concern. My concern is I have two breaks within 7 feet, and then we still got another 10 feet, and then whatever's going out that way. So I believe that it's gonna be rotted out all the way through. This whole line has to be replaced. Okay, because like I said, within the first 7 feet, 6 feet, it's already two breaks. It's not good.